Hello everybody, it's Sam here from the Bodycentre in Norwich and welcome to our latest YouTube video. Go again. Now this week's project is quite a special one. We have done an awful lot of work to this customer's vehicle already, so we will show you some pictures from right at the start and obviously show you what we're now going to be doing to it. It is already an unbelievable car, but we're going to be making it even better. Now there's a real cool backstory behind this customer and this project. He is a YouTuber, a gamer, a Twitch streamer. It's all going on, and the story that he's had to get to where he is now is unbelievable. So make sure you watch until the end so you can meet the customer and hear a bit more about him. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let's get into the video.
Start it up.
What on earth is that?
It looks awesome, doesn't it?
Wow. That
Is that what you wanted?
Yes.
Is that what you pictured?
That's exactly what I want. I can't believe it.
It looks mega, doesn't it?
It is.
What a f***ing statement. It looks really f***ing great. It's in a mood, like a massive mood.
So you're happy with it?
I love it, absolutely.
Hard work,
Full
mate.
cars.
You have, yeah.
Yeah.
Your loyalty car's getting booked up now.
It is. Do you know what I had to do the other day? I had to clean my wallet out.
All the Bodycentre booking in cards.
I had loads of them. I was in a pub and I took a picture of a load of them all just fanned out like a deck of cards. They're all going to have to go in the bin except that one. That's this one.
Oh, I'm so glad you're happy.
I did not know what to say.
So guys, we now come to the end of the video. And I don't know about you, but I think it looks absolutely awesome. And I know Michael, I forgot the name. I'm here with Michael from Xynode Gaming. He's a YouTuber, Twitch. Go again. We have now come to the end of the video. I'm here with Michael from Xynode Gaming. He's a YouTuber, Twitch streamer, and we have his brand new C63 behind me. It's not brand new, but it's brand new to him because as you can see, we have now wrapped the vehicle in a satin black and it looks incredible. You may have seen from our previous post, we've done quite a lot of work for Michael over the years. And what I will say is, Michael actually only got his driving license in 2019. So from then to now, we've done endless amounts of work to this car and the 3 other cars that you've had over the years. So what I will say is, hard work pays off. And how far you've come since we first met has been a pleasure to watch.
Thank you very much.
But what we will just get on camera, have you got a couple words to say about the car? What do you think about it?
I'm keeping that.
You're keeping this one?
Honestly, it's completely transformed.
I'm glad you're happy.
When I first got it, it was nice. Obviously, it's a C63, but it was stock.
Yeah.
And that was actually designed in a game.
Yes, it.
So I went into a game and decided what I wanted to put on it, gave it to you, and that's what came out. It's exactly what I wanted.
It's probably the first time ever that we've been given some pictures off a PlayStation game or Xbox,
Can we say
whatever
the
it was.
game?
Yeah.
Okay, Gran Turismo.
We've been given pictures from Gran Turismo.
And then just went, make that happen.
And we've made it happen. So we got given some pictures off a game, and there it is, guys. We've made it happen. Thank you very much again, Michael. Appreciate it. I'm glad you're happy.
Oh, yes.
On to the next one.